Walking home from the bus stop, walking home from the bus stop, walking home from the bus stop. Woo woo. Okay.
Bus stop.
So this is our intro. This is a test. Yeah.
If we're putting this on YouTube, then hi. I want to say hi to all the little people. Hi, little
This
people.
is Valerie.
Hi. Actually, should I be the little people? Because I'm in the monitor, right? Hi. I'm stuck in the monitor, and I can't get out. Say hi to Carrie. She's a little people too, or you guys are little people. We're not really sure anymore. Hi. See, this is fun. Okay, so we're walking home from here. Show them where we're walking home.
We're walking home from that stop sign.
Yeah,
way down there that you can't see.
Stop sign. It says stop.
You totally can't see it on this screen. Okay. Maybe you can from your computer.
Maybe from the computer.
My camera screen is really small.
Really small. Like tiny. Tiny, 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 tiny. 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 Tiny.
And now you all know that Valerie is crazy. Which is the whole reason why we started this vlog.
I'm inspirational. Yay.
So, yeah, I kind of decided to start this thing.
This thing.
Because it would be cool.
What's up? This is going down. This is what's up.
Most of the time I'm going to be holding the camera. Because it's my camera.
Her camera. Don't touch it. Don't steal it. Don't spit on it. Because we'll have to beat you up.
Yeah. And occasionally Valerie will probably steal it to show me.
Not, maybe, kind of. Oh yeah, to show you. Here, show your pretty face again. Hi Carrie, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's great.
Awesome.
Awesome. Awesome.
So tell them where we are, Valerie.
We're on Dublin. In Dublin. In England. That's why we talk in Texan accents all the time. So howdy, y'all.
Dublin's in Ireland.
No, it's not. Dublin
is the capital of Ireland.
No, it's not. Dublin. Well, then I guess our secret identity area, place where we live, it's taken, isn't it?
Now they know.
We live in Texas. So howdy, partner.
We don't talk like that, actually.
Yeah, we do. We say howdy.
I've never said howdy in my life, and I grew up in the sticks.
Look at our shoes. See, our boots are missing today. Sorry. And
usually we have awesome shoes.
And our horses. Well, it died way back in 1982.
My grandma used to have a horse.
Oh, shit.
It kind of starved to death.
Oh, it did die. Feed your horses, everybody. That includes you, Michigan people. If you are in Michigan and you're watching this and you're in Michigan. This is me. This is Carrie. Now you aren't watching a boring old this. Okay, this is me. Carrie. Now me. Now Carrie. Now Carrie, say hello.
What's up, people?
What's up? Fresh is our thing. I'm not really sure how the song goes, okay? It's, what is it? Still Fly by Devil Wears Prada. You should look that up. I don't know if Carrie listens to that. What do you listen to? Teenagers by My Chemical Romance. Love that song. How does it go?
I totally don't remember, but I have it on my iPod.
They say all teenagers scare the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed.
And now they all know that we can't sing. Well, she can sing.
Well, I can't really sing screamo, because screaming isn't singing. It's like, rah! I can't really do rah all the time. Rah! That's me singing rah. Rah, rah, ah, ah. Roma, Roma, ma, ga, ga, ooh la la. This is a romance.
So basically there's no point to this video and you just saw my hand. It was attractive, right?
Hello. This is my hand.
Okay.
I was letting you, like your hand wasn't alone. I'm on a camera.
You're amazing, Valerie.
I'm amazing. You're not. JK. It's cool. It's windy here. Hold on. We didn't get enough footage of you here. Say hi, Carrie.
What's up?
Okay,
by the way, it's totally like in the middle of January and it's like 70 degrees outside. should move to Texas. All
is.
of you.
Yeah, look at the sun. Did I just blind all of you? I hope I did. I mean, wear your sunglasses. Okay, what's your favorite color on a dog?
On a dog.
Yeah, something that can't be a natural color. It has to be like pink, blue,
Purple.
Purple? Okay, what kind of dog? Purple Schnauzer. Purple Poodle.
How about, I don't know, poodle, sure.
Purple Poodles. So now, you have to say purple poodle 3 times fast and then go buy one and show it us. Show it to us. Adios. Here, how do you fix a camera? Stop it! Stop the camera!